My first reaction when I heard about the situation in Haiti, I think I was in complete shock.
I was scared, I guess, and I wanted to help.
I'm sure there's a lot of kids that are out there that are upset, and I think that's okay. But what you should do is take those feelings and use it as an opportunity to motivate yourself to get involved and try to make a difference.
I feel like this is an opportunity for everyone to come together. I've seen so many kids help. So many fans from the show are helping, and it's really wonderful to see.
Everyone can do something, and everything counts.
Every little action causes a chain reaction.
All of us doing our little pieces together can make a significant impact.
Doesn't matter where you're from, what language you speak, we're all people and we all have the same feelings and we all go through the same things.
This is bringing the whole world together. I would say to try to find the light in that and do as much as you possibly can.
Join the world
as we shine a light
On Haiti.